everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a what my toddler eats in a day video. I actually filmed this a week ago, so I literally cannot remember what she ate. I just thought I would show you what she eats. I'm so glad that I filmed this last week because suddenly this week she has decided that she's being really fussy and things, which is normal with a toddler. Like, she's going through the terrible twos, it's normal. Do you want to come up?
Mummy!
Yeah? Do you want to come here? She's not like overly fussy, she loves her fruit. She's not overly keen on vegetables, so we are trying to work on that. But yeah, she still eats quite healthily. Obviously, I let her have the odd treat as she comes out with some Pringles at 9 o'clock in the morning. No, you're not having Pringles. Not now, later. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it gives you inspo for your toddlers or babies, whatever, or yourselves. Babies, yeah. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you are new, comment down below if you want. Not forcing you, but if you want to. But yeah, I really hope you enjoy it, and let's just get on and see what she ate. So for breakfast on this particular morning, she actually had Weetabix or Bixies. She had a little version because we shop at Lidl. So yeah, she just had this, and I just put it in a bowl with some milk, and then I mashed it all up for her so it was ready for her to eat. And then she also had an orange to go with that. I think she had a second one as well after, but I just didn't film it. But yeah, I just always try and give her fruit with her breakfast, just to make sure that she's definitely getting her fibre a day in. And then moving on to her snack, she had a banana. I don't know why there's like no footage of her eating the banana, but she definitely ate it. And then this is some footage from the day before because we made her lunches on the Monday. I filmed this on the Tuesday. So I got this recipe from What Mummy Makes on Instagram. I'll leave her Instagram down below because I get a lot of recipes from there. They're so good. And I thought today that we would make them together because she wasn't really eating her lunches. So I thought, oh, let's make it together. And it might encourage her. And it definitely did encourage her to eat it a bit more. So yeah, she was putting the cheese on. I did go in and correct the cheese and move it around so it wasn't everywhere. And then we put some ham and some sweet corn on there. I just stuck to quite basic things that I knew she liked, otherwise I knew she wouldn't eat them. So yeah, they were really easy to make and it was a lot of fun with her. And then this is what they looked like before they went in the oven. And then I did put an egg wash on as well. And then this is what they looked like when they came out. Some bits did burn, but that was fine. She either didn't eat those bits or I ate them, you know. And then she had some Cathedral City cheese bites with it and some cucumber. Again, I always make sure she has fruit or veg with her lunch. It usually is cucumber. She loves cucumber, so do I, so it makes sense. But yeah, she really enjoyed eating these, and so did I actually. So yeah, then moving on to her afternoon snack after her nap, she had some grapes, blueberries and raspberries. Obviously the grapes are cut up half. I usually do cut up her blueberries as well, but I don't know why I didn't do them this time, but I was sat with her the whole time she was eating them anyway. And then moving on to dinner, I made a pasta. So it was meant to be a chicken creamy red pepper pasta type thing from Pinch of Nom. Again, I will leave the recipe down below. But Elsie isn't overly keen on chicken, so I used chorizo instead because Elsie does like it. I do try and not give it to her too much because obviously there is quite a bit of salt. But yeah, my friend is going to literally laugh at the way I've just said chorizo, so I'm sorry, Luke. And then this is just the pepper and onion frying, and then after I added the passata and the cream cheese to make the pasta sauce, and then I did blend it all up, and whilst that was blending I pop the chorizo in the pan just to fry it with a little bit of oil. Don't tend to put too much oil in because it does tend to cook in its own oils. And then I added the pasta sauce back in, and then I cooked the pasta. And then this is what it looked like after. This was Elsie's portion. I'm pretty sure she had more after that. So that is literally everything she ate in that day. Obviously it does change every day. I don't tend to give her the same thing each day. I try to switch it up. She's just brought more crisps out to me. So that is everything that she ate in a day. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Said that all at the beginning, you know. But yeah, I'll see you in my next video. You're gonna say bye, Elsie? Bye. Say bye bye. Bye bye. 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 Have a kiss. Ma. Can Mummy have a kiss? No. Ma.